We got the Monster Energies from the BJ's for the $29.99 plus tax. I love my Monster Energies. You can have yours too. Alright, now we're gonna load the Monster Energies into the refrigerator. We got a whole shelf here just for the Monster Energies. All 24 going right in there. I can't wait. Oh my god, the fridge is gonna love these Monster Energies. So much Monster. So much energy. Okay, well there you have it. All the Monster Energies are now in the fridge, and I think the fridge hates me. It's starting to beep at me right now. But there you have it, 24 cans in the fridge. Insane.